The TruAge lifestyle is all about living, looking, and feeling younger longer. To live that lifestyle, your body needs to be healthy, and that requires that you provide it with specific nutrients, including essential omega fatty acids to keep things running smoothly. Your body cannot make these essential fatty acids. They must come from your diet or through supplementation. Morinda's TruAge Omega 369 supplement makes it easy to get all of the essential fatty acid your body needs to thrive. The unique formula combines the benefits of noni with the highest quality omega-3 fish oil, evening primrose oil, grape and flaxseed oil, lemon oil, and vitamin E. When taken regularly, TruAge Omega 369 supports healthy joint function, helps maintain a healthy circulatory system, maintains healthy triglyceride levels, and may even help reduce the risk of heart disease. The 30-day supply of soft gels are easy to swallow and do not have the fishy flavor often associated with omega products. We want everyone to experience the benefits of living the TruAge lifestyle. That is why we created the 90-day challenge. Try TruAge Omega 369 for 90 days, and if you're not completely satisfied, return it for a full refund, no questions asked. And be sure to try all of our other amazing TruAge supplements and to start living younger longer.